Hey, what's up guys? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. Now today you join me in my bathroom because recently my £400, yes that's £400 electric toothbrush from a well-known brand failed on me. So this time I decided to try something different. So I have gone for this RANVOO AirJet II, which is actually getting rave reviews online. So in this video what we're going to do is unbox it, take a look at all the features and test it out. Okie dokie, let's first start off then by taking a quick look around the outside of the box. And I've got to say it is very well presented. Looks proper premium, so it would look very nice if you're, say, planning to give this away as a Christmas present. Let's be honest, an electric toothbrush is the gift that keeps on giving all year round. And could even save your friends and family expensive dental bills throughout the year. So starting at the top then, as we can see it says RANVOO and RANVOO AirJet electric toothbrush. And I've got to say I love the way that it's all shining away there, it looks very smart. I'll move around to the side and it's the same thing there, look at that, it looks well swanky. It says AirJet reaches deeper, cleans better. Right, let's now get this box open then, so flipping it over and got these tabs here that we have to pull and wow, that looks very well presented indeed. And we've got two parts to this, so let's just set those off to one side. And on the inside of this carton, it goes on to say about some more of the features of the toothbrush. So down at the bottom here, it says how we protect your gums. 22,000 low frequency sweeps per minute prevent overbrushing and gum recession. 0.01mm ultra fine bristles tapered to 99.9% precision, gently protecting the gums. And then just moving across from that, it says AirJet electric toothbrush cleans between teeth where others can't. Powered by advanced microbubble technology, it delivers first-class cleaning with a plaque removal rate of 99.99%, higher than that of traditional electric toothbrushes. Right, so now move on to the boxes, and we've got one big one, one small one. Going to start off with the big one, and once again, the packaging is spot on. Love the way it's all reflecting. And let's lift this lid. And first off, we're presented with a QR code to scan and the extended product warranty. Now lifting this out, and inside here we have our user manual. Setting those off to one side, and we come to the main event, and that is the toothbrush itself. That does look very nice. Let's lift that out. Oh yeah, that does feel actually proper premium. Now I've actually gone for the graphite, but there are actually 4 colour options to choose from. So along with the graphite, we also have ivory white, light blue and pale violet. So something for everyone, nice to have a good range of colours. But getting back to this particular one, and like I say, yeah, it does feel very nice in the hand. We've got a screen on there, so let's pull off that. We'll fire it up in a minute. We've got a little protective rubber cover there on the end. Now next we have this, which is our charger. So this charges via USB-C, and if we look inside the box, we do in fact get a supplied USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now not only is this a charger, it is also a wall mount. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how you attach this in your bathroom. Now on the back of this charger slash mount, we have this metal ring with a 3M sticky pad. And if we just separate it like so, you can see that it actually comes apart. So let's put that back on there. Pull off the back of that 3M sticky pad. Now I'll put the toothbrush in its holster like so and attach it to the tiles. And there you go, it's attached to the wall, nice and simple, and it does actually have a bit of movement in it there, so you can move it around, it's not going to wrench off the wall, and simply just lift off the toothbrush like so, place it back once you're done. And because it's hung up on the tiles like that, I think it just looks a lot more neater, a lot less cluttered. With my old electric toothbrush, I used to have to try and balance it on the side like that. As you can see, there you go. There's a fine example of what it used to do. It would just fall down all the time and it would just make it look a bit cluttered on the side here. And when it comes to charging, it is dead simple. So all we do is remove that off the wall and we have that USB-C charger charging port just there, so we don't actually have to plug the toothbrush directly into any cables. And some other toothbrushes actually have like a stand that you put them on like so, but they have a hole in the bottom, and that'll often get manked up with all sorts of nasties, which probably isn't ideal with something you're putting in your mouth. So yeah, I think this is a far better design because it also helps you keep it nice and clean. And when it's all charged up, all you have to do is pop it back on the wall like so. Moving on to the second box now then, and I'm guessing this will have our toothbrush heads. And yes, sure enough, and oh, we get 3 of those. And if we look on the inside of the box, it tells us what those do. So we've got soft gum care brush head, 0.01mm, ultra fine bristles for gentle care, ideal for sensitive gums. Then we have balanced multi-effect brush head, independently zoned for both cleaning and gum protection, ideal for daily oral care. And then finally we have the diamond whitening brush head, which is for whitening and polishing. And don't worry, when these heads wear out, you can get replacements very easily and at an affordable price. Right, let's now go ahead and fit one of the heads to the toothbrush. I've just gone for the middle of the road head and simply just slot it on like so. And there we have it. Now I just want to bring in my original £400 toothbrush. Can't believe I paid that for a toothbrush. I must be absolutely crazy. But if we look at the head of that toothbrush, we can see it is made out of hard plastic, which really can't be that great or comfortable in your mouth. But if we look at the Ranvu, it is in fact nice soft rubber, which obviously is going to be far more comfortable in your mouth when you are brushing around your teeth and gums. Right, now has come the time to actually test this thing out, and I've already personally tested it out, and trust me, it is a great bit of kit. So to turn it on, it is dead simple. All we do is touch on the screen once, and there we go, it fires into life. And I've got to say, I do love the size of this screen on this. Screens on other toothbrushes are really small, but this one, as far as toothbrushes go, is very big. Now we do have 4 modes on this, and this is our clean mode, which is for our daily deep cleaning. And as you can probably hear and see, we are getting those sonic vibrations coming through on the end of the toothbrush. And I can also feel air coming out of the end. And that is the AirJet bubble technology. And I'll give a better demonstration of this in just a bit. Now getting back to the display itself, and I've just restarted it because after a couple of minutes, the toothbrush will cut off, because what it does, it gives you a 2-minute timer, and every 30 seconds you'll get a different vibration telling you to change to a different area of your mouth. So they work it that your mouth is split up into 4 sections, allowing you 30 seconds on each section. Now along with that we also get a timer, and just below that we also get our battery level indicator. Now if we want to pause the session at any time, once it's been running for a few seconds, if you just press on the screen once, that will pause it. To resume, just press it again. Now let's test out the other modes. So this is dead simple to do, to change between the different modes. So when the toothbrush is off, if you just touch on the screen once, then press it again, you cycle through the different modes like so. So as you can see, going through the different modes there. So after clean, we come to white, which is effective for whitening and reduces stains and pigment buildup. Next up, we have foam mode, and this is gentle bubble cleaning, ideal for sensitive gums and braces. And then finally, we have the soft mode. Now this is for sensitive teeth, bleeding gums and healing periods. Now as your notes say, in the soft mode, we get some different vibrations going on. So that's going more side to side there, as I'm sure you can see. But if we change up that mode, now put it into the clean, so that's different again. Now we go to the white, again different sonic movements going on there. We change it again now to foam. Yeah, each one is different. Now, I have been using this toothbrush for a little while now, and I've got to say, the bubble technology is really impressive. Now, compared to my old toothbrush, it does seem to do a far superior job of actually removing bits of food that's stuck between my teeth. And I'm putting that down to that bubble technology, which obviously my old toothbrush didn't have. And just generally after brushing, it feels like my teeth are just a lot cleaner. Now, as I'm sure you can imagine, it would be difficult to film inside my mouth whilst I'm brushing my teeth. So what I'm going to do is set up a glass of water so I can demonstrate that bubble technology to you. So let's turn on the toothbrush then, so touching on the screen. And there we go, we are in the foam mode. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it into this glass of water. And can you see all that water being squirted out there? That's pretty mad. Look, so out of the water, just put it in. Imagine that all being forced between your teeth and around your gums. I'm going to plunge it right in now. We can see that just there in action. It's pretty powerful, to be fair. So just lift it out a bit more, and I'm making an absolute mess of my bathroom here. Don't know how well that is coming across on camera, but yeah, it's squirting pretty far. Now that is of course on the foam mode. Now if we change that up to, we'll go for our soft clean there. So now that's acting differently, as we can see. And then plunge it in. Again, we can see those bubbles going on there. Changing up the mode again. So this is our daily clean. Again, not so full on as the foam there. And if I plunge it in further, again, we can see those bubbles going on. Not as intense as the foam, but still for a daily clean, it's going to keep on top of that plaque and build up. Now I'm just going to put the toothbrush back into its foam mode, pressing on the screen. There we go, that is activated. And what I'm going to do is put my microphone near the end of the toothbrush so you can hear the air for yourself. Hopefully you can hear that, and it does feel pretty powerful. And just as some further proof how effective this bubble technology is, we had the toothbrush and the glass just down there, and it's able to squirt the water all the way up to my mirror and make an absolute mess of it. And if it's able to do that, then just imagine how well it can clean in between your teeth. And there we have it then, guys. What an amazing toothbrush. Like I said, I've already tested it out and it does offer a really deep clean. You know, you get that squeaky clean feeling. Well, that's what you get with this bad boy. Now, if you do like what you see in this video, then I've got some good news, because I do have a code that will get you 10% off this toothbrush. And I'll put a link to that code in the description. Now, do us a favour, and if you have enjoyed today's video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.